Hi, welcome to my weekly progress report, the Mother's Day special. I am an active mom of 12 amazing kids who give my life meaning and purpose. My time is carefully budgeted and I do the best that I can every day. Right here you can see a nice view of my front porch. Don't you love the gecko? That's what you do when you have so many boys. And the flowers are coming in quite nicely for me. On Monday, after my routines were finished and the kids got out of school, we headed over to the local water park, where we enjoyed some relaxing family fun. We had a blast, obviously. It's just a great way to wind down and relax after a long, hard days of school's work and then be able to get ready for summer. On Tuesday, I took the day off and went with a friend to the movies. We've been on a movie kick once a week for the last 3 or 4 weeks. It's been too fun. Today is Wednesday. I just am going to work in my kitchen zone all day. I'm actually doing a video on it as well that you're certainly welcome to watch. And by the way, subscribe and like this video if you will. Hey, and I might have confused you there. I really don't work in the zone all day. I just do 1 hour. 4 different things I work on in that 1 hour. And it works really great this way. Earlier this week, I did my home blessing hour, where I changed the sheets, swept the floors, mopped the floors, dusted the furniture, vacuumed, stuff like that. Look, my life is good. It's not perfect, but it's good. I follow the Fly Lady system and I do my routines every morning and evening, as well as plan the week and do my zones. Well, I almost always do this stuff. I'm human, so sometimes I fall, but I don't give up. I just keep plugging away and moving forward. I can do hard things. It's my job to make everything fun, that's all. Now, not fun for the kids, that's not what I mean necessarily. More just fun for me, so that I can keep going. And then don't get me wrong here either. I let them have fun. They always have fun. They're kids. On Thursday, I ran my errands and then I picked up everything I needed for teacher appreciation gifts. And then I put those together that night. Yes, all of those. Can you believe how many I had to make? All I know is it's a really good thing I bought extra chocolate to munch on. And on Friday night, it's movie night. So after finishing up the rest of the things on my weekly plan, that's what we did. On Saturday morning, I quickly did my routines and then took off to go to a fun baby shower for my niece. My oldest daughter and I rode together. We had such a good time. After returning home and finding all well there, my son and I went out to dinner. It was lovely. Sunday was Mother's Day. All the family came over for dinner, and it was fantastic. My husband was the best. He made steak, salad, and veggies. Yum! Everybody loved it. I was spoiled all day. He made me breakfast in bed and dinner, and brought me 24 roses. Then my daughter brought me 12 roses as well. I enjoyed gifts from everyone. Homemade cards, foot massages, back rubs, treats, hair products, and lots of hugs and kisses. After dinner, we enjoyed brownies and ice cream for dessert. It was so yummy. I absolutely love it when all the kids can come over and we can have dinner together. We have such a good time visiting and laughing together. It's wonderful. Of course, nothing can top watching my grandsons share their dessert. That was the absolute highlight of the evening. Aren't they just adorable? They would take turns eating out of the bowl and they would give each other bites. They were just so proud of themselves being able to take those spoons and lift them up and share with each other. It was just the best. Priceless. And as if you haven't noticed yet, my daughter-in-law is expecting her second baby in just a few weeks. We all love to rub her belly. She's just adorable. Let's talk about a few things on the outside. Look at the blossoms in my garden. Everything's growing so wonderfully. I cannot wait to harvest these crops. See the little peppers growing? I just love it. And here we're going to have squash and zucchini. Then there's that giant hole I've got to keep watering until we can plant the trees there. Oh yeah, and here's Sammy, our turtle. He's so playful and just so fun. Look at him playing in the water. He totally would run after that faucet. Look, if I take the water away, he comes running after it. Isn't that hilarious? He's just a hoot to watch. He comes out with me every day to help me water. Well, to entertain me is more like it. While I'm watering, he'll just sit there and play in the puddles. He'll go swimming in the circle and just have such a great time. I love having a gardening buddy. He really does just keep me company. He's such a jolly fellow, and I just enjoy him immensely. What a great addition to our family. Well, have a great week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back and see us again, will ya? Take care.